Alright, so here we are with another unbagging from Monsterbass. This is their premium for the Midwest region. First off, as you can see, we have the brand new grass burner by Monsterbass. It's a 7/8 ounce top water. It comes in, this one is the bone color, and it is a top water buzzbait. So we're gonna give this a try once we get a chance. From what I've heard, you can slow roll it or you can burn it. So I'm excited to see how it works. I'm excited to see how the noise is, the commotion it makes. Hopefully it works. We also have the X Zone Rally Shad in 3.75 inch in perch. This would be great for a drop shot. That's probably what I would use it for, is a drop shot. Okay. Nice color. I like the green, the bronze kind of bottom. We also have the Grande Bass. This is new. 6.5 mag rattlesnake. This is a ballistic bluegill. Very nice color. I'll take one out so you can see it. Very big. This is a big rattlesnake. All these ribs gonna make water displacement. As it goes down, these ribs will also hold water bubbles and release a water bubble trail. I can see it as a shaky head. I would use it as a Texas rig for sure. I've heard people even use these for a chatterbait trailer. I would give that a try. Carolina rig, not much into Carolina rig, but yes, Texas rig, shaky head, and you can even cut the tail off if this is old, put it on the back of a jig. That's been working for me this year. So something different. Nice color. Next up we have our product testing. This is the Headbanger 8 crankbait. Weighs ½ ounce, dives up to 8 feet, and it's 2.5 inches in length. So this is a gill color. These colors have been working for me all year. So like the white, I'll take this out too so you can see it. The white and orange on the bottom have been working really well. So we will give this a try. What you do, you try it out. You see how you like it. On the back, scan this code. Tell them what you like about it, what you don't like about it. And then they ask maybe what you would change on there. Really neat. I'm glad they're doing this. Again, look at that color. I think it'll work really well where I live. We have also 1/4 ounce drop shot weights in tungsten. Again, here we go. Drop shot with this Rally Shad, can't go wrong. We also have the Arc Popper and Bone. This year I've done more top fishing than I have in a very long time. So I'm excited to have another popper. The color on the bottom, I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to get it out. Oh, here we go. Again, this bone color, I've seen a lot of success with it this year. I used to throw a lot of black and blue, but this year bone and green pumpkin has been working. My waters this year are a little clearer than normal, but see that, I don't know if you can see, but it's got glitter on the bottom, the feather on the back, really good. If I get a chance to go out, I'm gonna give this one a try. So, slight rattle to it, not much. So, then we have, where are they? Here they are. Here we go. We have standout drop shot hooks, size 1. There's 5 of them. Again, this is another thing I like about Monsterbass. They give you more hooks than other companies. They give you like a full pack instead of a sample pack. I really enjoy that. And if you see, if you look here, these drop shot hooks are made differently. You tie your knot on this end and you slide your line through here with your weight, and this is supposedly going to help your bait stand straighter or sit straighter in the water. So I am going to give this a try. Haven't had much luck on the drop shot lately, but I'm going to give these a try. Something new, gives me something to work at, challenge myself. That's what I like. And then of course you have your booklet, top October fishing trip tips. I love reading these. Learn something new, try something new. If it wasn't for this, my top water game would be pretty weak, I think. I still have a lot to work on, but this helps a lot. Look at that, mastering the drop shot. I'm gonna be rereading this. I want to get better at drop shot. I don't really have the patience for drop shot, and I think that's my problem at times. So I'm gonna give this a good reading. Then you get save $5 on your next order on Grande Bass. So very cool. Then you get your stickers. You got chunk chasers, and then fishing is life. Nice stickers. And as you can probably see, the last thing in our bag is the golden ticket. So these are the new golden tickets. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button. Comment what's something that you saw in this bag that you really liked. What would you like to see? I'm curious, what is your favorite colors that you guys like to use? So here it is. Hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you next time. Bye.